Yo guys, what's up? So for today's video, I'm going to have a weekly trade recap on our Euro USD dated October 16 to October 20, 2023. So we have a total trades taken on Euro USD 17, and we have a win of 13 and loss of 4. And then if we calculate it, we have a win rate of 76%. But before we go ahead, feel free to join our free community in Telegram. You can search it on our Telegram, and I'll just link put the link in the description of this video. So let's go ahead and start our trade recap. Okay guys, so starting on this 15-minute time frame, so we can see here that we have a sweep in Asia high and Asia low. I already marked this by say liquidity also in this supply zone, and we have here multiple breakout structure from a previous day or previous week. This is Friday, I think, last week. So as you can see here that I've seen here a tap in our supply zone during London Open session or London Open Gill Zone. So I went down to 1 minute time frame. So in 1 minute time frame, so this was the first tap, as you can see here. So that's the reason why I took this trade. My first losing trade of the week. We have here this market structure, and we have a displacement going down, and that form an FVG. So I entered here at this FVG and target this 1:3 risk reward ratio, but the market moves the opposite way. So for the second trade I took here is that we have here this another sweep here. So we can see here this manipulation, accumulation type of movement of the market. And then we have here this manipulation happen. Then going down, market structure shift happen. So I took my entry here using this Fibonacci to enter at this 0.5 or the 50% of this, what do you call this? 50% of this swing, and then target also this 1:3 risk reward ratio here. So you can see here that we have hit this first trade 1:3 risk reward ratio. Okay, so I was expecting that the market will hit this Asia low, but it's good that we have a trading plan or exit plan on our trade always to 1:3 risk reward ratio. Okay, so for our third trade, let's go back to 15 minutes time frame again. So here guys, so we have here this sweep in the initial high of the day during New York session or New York Open Gill Zone. So after this high of day has been swept, we go down to 1 minute time frame again. So there you go. We've seen this market structure shift happen here, and then this fair value gap here. Since this fair value gap has already been taken and has been already mitigated, so I did not choose that entry, but rather this entry here. So entry here at this FVG and target a 1:3 risk reward ratio. So we hit this take profit hit 1:3. So that's on Monday we took this one loss and 2 wins. So day 2 or of the week, this is Tuesday. So again, we start at 15-minute time frame. So you can see here that this Asia low was taken out, and then the price goes down. So I did not enter at this trade since it did not tap this supply zone, but at this time, at this moment here. So I've waited for the price to react on this equal highs here. So this buy side liquidity, since we have here this equal highs, so that's the sign that I'm going to look for a short position on this area. So the price hit this or taken this buy side liquidity, so I go down to 1 minute time frame. Internet is choppy. There we go, guys. We have here this after this buy side liquidity has been swept, the price goes down here, but it did not close a candle below. So I did not took this trade here since I don't have any confirmation to go for a short at this time. So the market went up, and then we have another break here, and this confirms our market structure shift. So I put my entry here at this fair value gap and target a 1:3 risk reward ratio here. So we can always target this supply demand area. I mean, earlier I said supply, but this is a demand. So you can see here. So for our final profit, we can target this demand. But for me, my exit plan will always be 1:3 risk reward ratio. That's enough for me. So we have here another entry supposed to be, but I did not took this trade since London kill zone is about to end. So that's my trading plan also, to not to take the trade if the London kill zone or the kill zone session is about to end. Okay, so for our next trade in New York session, here. So this the price reacted on this daily balance price range. If we look at this daily time frame, same as this, always I'm waiting for a market structure shift. Here we have this internal market structure shift, and an FBG form I entered here and target a 1:3 risk reward ratio. So as you can see here that the price reacted on the 1:3, and then it goes down. This has we have a news on this date. That's why we have here a long bearish candle. So for our next second trade during New York, we have here this market structure shift, and then enter at this optimal trade entry and target a 1:3 risk reward ratio. There. So on Tuesday we have 3 wins, total of 3 wins. This and this and this. Okay, let's go on the next day. So again, guys, so we start at 15-minute time frame. This is Wednesday, October 18, 2023. So this was my trade taken here. As we can see here, this I was expecting this previous day high to be taken out or to be swept during London, so that I could look for a short. But unfortunately, I did not enter at this trade since it was a risky trade for me to take. But I know some of you guys has a trade here, go short. So I waited for this price to took this sell side liquidity. There we have this sell side liquidity. So as we can see here that it reacted on this sell side liquidity. So I went down to 1 minute time frame again. There we go, guys. 1 minute time frame. This market structure shift took this Fibonacci to enter at this optimal trade entry, but we have a type of consolidation. So we have here a roller coaster type of emotion happening at this moment. But good thing we hit this 1:3 risk reward ratio again. Okay. So for our next trade here again, this trade here on New York Open kill zone, we have here a tap in this demand area from previous day. So took this trade. We have here this internal market structure shift again, since we have here a body candle closing. Use again this Fibonacci for our optimal trade entry, and then target a 1:3 risk reward ratio. Okay. So, and then the next thing here is this. We have a reaction on this 15-minute time frame. 15-minute FVG. 15-minute FVG here. So we have here this market structure shift, and then this fair value gap. So entered here at fair value gap, and then target again this 1:3 risk reward ratio. So Wednesday we have also a 3 wins. So let's go to the 4th day of the week. Okay guys, so Thursday, October 19, 2023, we took this Asia high during London and Asia low before London kill zone. So I was expecting for a short at these zones here, at this 15-minute FVG. When the price stops this FVG, I go down to 1 minute time frame. So here we can see here that we have a reaction on this 1 minute time frame, and then market structure shift happens. So just like I said on my previous video, that we are just retail traders. So I entered here and we got stopped out, since we have here the price took this supply zone. So my second trade, I entered at this market structure shift, and this ended on this fair value gap. Put my entry at this fair value gap here, and target a 1:3 risk reward ratio again. There, you can see here we have a TP hit. So on New York session, so this buy side liquidity on 15-minute time frame was taken out here. So I was looking for a retest on this line of resistance that become a support here. You can see here that this retest area here, this was the retest area. So we have here this shift or the breakup structure. Again, I use this Fibonacci to enter at this optimal trade entry, the 6.18 or 0.618, and then target this 1:3 risk reward ratio again. There. Then the last trade of the day, this market structure shift happened again here, and then this fair value gap, we get stopped out again at this area. So Thursday we have 2 wins and 2 losses here. So let's go to the last day of the week, Friday. Okay, so guys, this is Friday, October 20, 2023. During London session or London kill zone, the price took this Asia low. After this Asia low has been taken, so as usual, we go to 1 minute time frame to look for a confirmation if we could buy. Here again, we have here a sweep market structure shift, and then using again this Fibonacci for optimal trade entry. There we have enter at this point, and then we have a consolidation happening, and luckily or good thing we got this 1:3. We can target this Asia high, but like I said, 1:3 risk reward ratio is good for me. London kill zone, we took only one trade. Then this New York kill zone. So New York kill zone here reacted on this supply. We have here market structure shift. So you might be wondering why I took this trade. So I'm just experimenting on this new strategy that once I've seen this market structure shift happen, when the candle closes, I will enter at this candle closing. So I took this trade and hit 1:3 risk reward ratio. Since the FVG is just near this market structure shift. So for our next trade, this one here on 15-minute time frame. Where is that? Here. No, this is not. This one here. We have a market structure shift on 15-minute time frame, and then this fair value gap. So going back to 1-minute time frame, this one here, this one here. So it reacted on this fair value gap. We have a market structure shift here. Beautiful entry at this fair value gap again. But sad to say, we got stopped out again on this area. So how I took this trade again here. Looking at this 15-minute time frame again. So we have here this, I've seen this kind of pattern. Actually, this is not on one of my I mean, this is not part of this 1 minute or trading strategy, but this is one of the strategy I'm using if I've seen this kind of pattern, the QM pattern, QM cell pattern, where we can see it, this one here. It's just like in 1 minute, but it is just happening in a higher time frame. The QM or the Quasimodo, they saying that Quasimodo pattern, higher high, lower this high low, higher high, and then we have a market structure shift happen, and then we go back here at this point of at this area. So took the sell around this area and target the 1:3 risk reward ratio here. So it's less like the model in 1 minute, but just in a higher time frame. Okay, guys. So that's my trade recap on last week's forex market. So hope you like this trade recap. And for more videos like this, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe on our channel. And hope to see you again on our next video, guys. Okay.